Today we will talk about Ajit Kumar Doval. On June 3, 2019, Ajit Doval was reappointed as NSA National Security Advisor for the next 5 years. On May 15, 2020, Myanmar military handed a group of 22 insurgents who are active in the northeast states of India to the Government of India in a special plane. National Security Advisor to Prime Minister Modi, Ajit Kumar Doval, who turned 75 on January 20, has donned the title of Indian James Bond following his stint as a spy. The highly decorated IPS officer of Kerala Cadre, who now heads the National Security Council, has dealt with the country's most complex international and domestic security challenges. A key confidant of Prime Minister Modi, Doval was the director of the Intelligence Bureau in the Vajpayee government and was retained in that position by the Manmohan Singh government for 1 year. Ajit Kumar Doval was born on January 20, 1945 in Giri Banelswal village in Pori Garhwal in a Garhwali family. His father, Major G. N. Doval, was an officer in the Indian Army. Ajit Doval did his schooling from King's George Royal Indian Military School in Ajmer, Rajasthan. In 1967, from Agra University, he graduated with a master's degree in economics. He is the first NSA to hold cabinet rank. The cabinet rank is in recognition of his contribution in the national security domain. In his previous term as NSA, Doval, a 1968 batch IPS officer of the Kerala Cadre, celebrated intelligence operative, held the rank of Minister of State. In 1968, Ajit Doval joined the Indian Police Service and was actively involved in the anti-intelligence operation in Punjab and Mizoram. On December 28, 1971, a riot broke out in Thalassery, where the RSS was accused of targeting Muslims and the mosques. From January 2 to January 9 in 1972, Doval worked in Thalassery and then was appointed by the Home Minister K. Karunakaran to restore law and order in the area. He also rescued Romanian diplomat Livrado. In 1988, Doval was inside the Golden Temple, Amritsar, to collect critical information before the Operation Black Thunder. In 1999, Ajit Doval was amongst the three negotiators which negotiated the release of passengers from IC-814 in Kandahar. During 1971 to 1999, he was involved in the termination of 15 hijackings of the Indian Airlines aircraft. Ajit Doval headed Intelligence Bureau's Operations Wing for more than a decade. He was also the founding chairman of Multi-Agency Circle and Joint Task Force on Intelligence. In January 2005, Ajit Doval retired as the Director of Intelligence Bureau. In December 2009, he became the founding director of Vivekanand International Foundation. Doval has actively written editorial pieces for leading newspapers and journals, has delivered lectures at government and non-government institutions, think tanks, etc. in India, and abode over national security in India, its challenges and foreign policies. In 2009 and 2011, Ajit Doval has co-written two reports over India Black Money abroad in secret banks and tax havens. After his retirement on May 30, 2014, the Modi government has reappointed Ajit Doval as National Security Advisor for the 5 years in the rank of Cabinet Minister. In July 2014, he ensured the secure return of the 46 Indian nurses trapped in a hospital in Tikrit, Iraq. On June 25, 2014, Ajit Doval flew to Iraq on a top secret mission and made high level meetings with the government of Iraq. On July 5, after Doval's meetings, ISIL militants handed all the Indian nurses Kurdish authorities at Erbil city. A specially arranged Air India aircraft brought the nurses back to Kochi, India. As per Indian officials, Ajit Doval planned a cross-border military operation with Army Chief General Dalbir Singh Suhag against Nationalist Socialist Council of Nagaland operating out of Myanmar. Indian side claims that the operation was successful and 20-30 separatists were killed. However, the government of Myanmar denied such claims and stated that the Indian operation against Nationalist Socialist Council of Nagaland took place entirely on the Indian side of the border. In addition to this, Nationalist Socialist Council of Nagaland also denied India's claim. An intelligence Caesar and strategist, Doval is believed to have played a key role both of the Cross LOC surgical strike of 2016 and the Balakot airstrike in Pakistan in response to highly provocative terrorist attack in Jammu and Kashmir. As the NSA, he is part of the Prime Minister's office and a key points man on security issue across multiple ministers. He is the popular for doctrinal shift in India national security policy in relation to Pakistan. The Indian national security policy changed from defensive to defensive, offensive to double squeeze strategy. As per reports, the 2016 Indian strikes in Pakistan controlled Kashmir were his brainchild. He has also resolved Doklam standoff through his diplomatic relations along with then Foreign Secretary S. Jaishankar and Indian Ambassador to China Vijay Keshav Gokhale. In December 2017, Doval was awarded an honorary doctorate in science from Agra University. In May 2018, he received an honorary doctorate in literature from Kumaon University. In November 2018, he received an honorary doctorate in philosophy from Amity University. In October 2018, Ajit Doval was reappointed as the chairman of the SPG. On February 27, 2019, tensions rose between India and Pakistan after IAF airstrike in Pakistan and later PAF retaliatory airstrike in India and capture of Indian pilot Abhinandan Vardhaman by the military of Pakistan. The pilot was released by Pakistani military as a gesture of peace and to de-escalate the tensions between the two countries. As per Indian officials, when Indian pilot was in the custody of Pakistan, Ajit Doval held talks with the US Secretary of State and National Security Advisor to secure the release of the Indian pilot. Doval has held a meeting with the State Councillor and Foreign Minister of the People's Republic of China over a video call on Sunday. The two of them have a mutual agreed on the necessity of the disengagement of the troops along the LAC and de-escalation from India-China border areas. Now we will talk about Ajit Kumar Awards. The first award, Ajit Kumar Doval, was the youngest police officer to receive a police medal for his meritorious service. He received an award after completing 6 years of his service in the police. The second award, Ajit Doval was awarded the President's Police Medal. The third award is, in 1998, he was confirmed with the highest gallantry awards, Kirti Chakra. He was the first police officer to receive this award, which was earlier given as a military honor, Kirti Chakra.